She was just a waitress making $180 a week. No connections, no fancy degree, just a $1,000 loan and a dream. A $100 million empire that changed real estate forever. From diner waitress to real estate mogul. The Barbara Corcoran's $1,000 gamble.
In a cramped two-bedroom apartment in Edgewater, New Jersey, Barbara Corcoran grew up with 9 siblings. School? It wasn't her thing. She struggled with dyslexia, barely passed her classes. But she had something school couldn't teach: grit and an eye for opportunity. In 1973, her boyfriend gave her a $1,000 loan. His advice: you'd be great in real estate. That money became the seed for the Corcoran Group, just a tiny real estate office in New York City. Barbara had no experience, no credibility, but she outworked everyone. She studied market trends, wrote a newsletter called the Corcoran Report, and became the go-to expert on NYC real estate. Male brokers laughed at her, called her the blonde in the skirt. She didn't just prove them wrong, she dominated the industry. By the 90s, the Corcoran Group was selling New York's most expensive properties. Then, in 2001, Barbara did the unthinkable. She sold her company for $66 million. The waitress turned CEO had officially won.
Moral. Barbara didn't have money. She didn't have connections. She didn't even have a college degree. What she had? Hustle, grit, and the courage to take a chance. Because sometimes all it takes is one decision, one investment, one moment of belief to change everything. So, what's your $1,000 idea?
If you got value from this video, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload.